Hey guys, I'm Frida with WTI, here to show you my latest storage trick. These bags are from a company called Umriox and they are awesome. They're a really nice thick plastic, so they're see-through, but they're so reinforced that nothing is happening to these. The seams are super sturdy, the zippers are super sturdy as well. This game in particular is why I wanted the jumbo size. This is a game called Sequence, but we got the big board that folds up, and I had rigged something to put it in, and all it was doing was putting extra wrinkles in my board. So I was really excited to get this. I have things like this is holding every single one of my Play-Doh and Play-Doh accessories for the kids, and there's room for more. And this one has a lot of my daughter's LOL and Bratz dolls in them. So I really like that they are see-through and yet still very sturdy. I also really like that when I stack them on our game cabinet, even though they're plastic bags, they stand up really nicely when I stack them all together. So there's lots of different versions. Like I said, this is the biggest size because I have big problems to deal with. A lot of times my kids will open up games and then the box gets crushed, and then I'm just putting them like in a gallon Ziploc baggie. So this is a much better solution. They're very sturdy. They've held up very well to my household. These things are not ripping or going anywhere. If you're looking to organize your game room, these are a definite win in my book, and that's my point of view.